Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I want to talk about the cap on Diamond Art Club's new refillable pen and what it is actually for. So for anyone who hasn't seen it, this is the new Diamond Art Club pen that now comes as standard in their diamond painting kits. No more plastic straw with the nylon tip with the brass insert. It's this white pen, which is a lot more ergonomic in shape and thicker. The other thing is it comes preloaded. So inside the tip there is putty, and you feed the putty from the pen to the tip. So no more dipping in pink wax or in putty. So this is the pen as it comes. But Diamond Art Club have just released a stainless steel tip to upgrade this, because this standard tip is plastic. So if I take the cap off, you'll see some putties come out because I turned the pen, but it's a plastic tip. So I saw that they had brought out a stainless steel upgrade and I decided to do a review. So this is what it looks like once you put the new tip in. So now we've got a stainless steel tip. You load that up, you can put wax or putty in it, and again you just twist the pen slightly to feed to the tip. Now I did the review, I did the unboxing and I tested it, and then at the end I went to put the cap back on the tip. So I thought, yeah, I'll just push back on, but it doesn't. It doesn't actually go. So I contacted Diamond Art Club and said, I just did a review and I found out that the plastic cap does not fit on the stainless steel tip. Will you be changing something so it fits? And they got back to me straight away and they said the cap actually isn't to stop the putty drying out or anything like that, because initially I thought the cap was to stop the putty getting dusty or dirty, or to stop it drying out with air. They said that isn't what the cap is for. The cap is to protect the pen tip. The original pen tip is plastic, so to protect it and stop it getting damaged, they made this cap. So the cap just push fits. So it turns out that when you upgrade to the stainless steel tip, you don't need the cap, because it's stainless steel. It's not going to get damaged. So I just thought I'd post a video to explain that, because I'm sure some people will be upgrading and then they'll find out that the cap doesn't fit and they'll be wondering why. So the bottom line is the cap is only on the pen to protect the plastic tip. So now we know the plastic cap is not to stop the putty from drying out or getting grubby with dust and stuff. It is purely to protect the plastic tip. So I'm glad I contacted Diamond Art Club, because I thought it was to stop the putty from drying out, but it makes sense. So they put the cap on to protect the plastic tip, and if you upgrade to the stainless steel tip, you don't need that protection, so the cap doesn't actually fit. So I thought I would post a video just to explain that, because I did mention at the end of the unboxing and testing that the cap didn't fit. So now we know why. If you want to see the unboxing and testing of the stainless steel tip, I will put a link in the description. And if you want to see more unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, maybe a few sneak peeks, basically everything and anything to do with diamond painting, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you do that, you will get a message when any new videos come up, and I do have a lot of them coming. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe and wash your hands.